Hello YouTube, and today I'm come to talk about a product that I really highly recommend, which is this, an olive puller. So what this does is it goes on this and it pulls the nut and olive off of here so that you can remove the olive and nut and replace it with a new one. We're going to be doing this because we are changing all these radiators and valves to these nice new sleek ones. So we want to use this brass nut and olive instead of the chrome one. So let me show you it in action. So what I find good about these is they do fit into the chuck of a drill, like so. So you unspin this all the way down as far as it goes, like so. Remove the tissue and then wind this on to your nut and olive a couple of turns till it's tight, like so. What you do need to do is grab yourself some grips and just hold the pipe, stop it from spinning. Hold that quite tight, put your drill in forward, locate that on, and then watch this. 3, 2, 1. Pulls it straight off, nut and olive. That is why I highly recommend this product. It's definitely worth having in your kit bag. I will leave a link down below, the one I got. And yeah, I think that's very good. And I think every plumber should have one for this case. Hope you all have a good day. Take care. And I'll see you around soon.